So this is another Reddit gift exchange video. Somebody's Santa didn't come through on the colors 2018, so I've been rematched with someone that likes socks. So we'll do some socks for this tie-dye. So here we have the 3 pairs of socks, and we'll do 3 different things. So for the first one, I'm just going to roll them, but they need to be rolled the opposite direction so that I have a left and a right. If we have the left and right, these would be rolled the same, but I would use the top on one and the bottom on the other. Okay. So roll this up. Oh, that does not want to move. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and mark that so I know which side. Then I'll roll this one up. And then just bend this a few times. It was like this, so this side, I think. Hope so. Okay, so those are done. So this pair I'm going to open up, kind of squish that in a little, and then just scrunch it down. Oh, that's not going to work. Get another rubber band. Alright, so one there. One there. And one there. So I'll do the same thing on this one. Okay, so we have those 2. And for these, let's go ahead and can't really flatten socks with formed heels, but do what we can. I'm going to do these face to face. And then I'm just going to do an accordion. Pulling that open a little bit. Grab this. I need this in 3 sections, so just eyeball this. That slipped all the way. Okay, and come over here. Alright. Just trim that off. And then I'll grab a rubber band just to hold these outer edges together. Like that. And then the same thing for the other side. Alright, so those are the 3 sets. Off to dye it. These are the rolled socks. We'll just put black on the top and then let it soak through, and what it hits. What it doesn't, it becomes white, because one of the colors that she likes is black and white. I might go over the top with some thickened black as well, just to give it a nice solid black. These are scrunches, kind of, and these will be purple and lime. In this case, bright green and deep purple. And then this is an accordion fold, and one of the other options she wanted was red, white, and blue, so it'll be red on one side and blue on the other, and whatever stays white stays white. So let's get started. Alright, I'll let that melt through. Alright, I'll let that melt through and then decide what to do on the back side, if anything. Okay, the ice is melted through completely. I'm going to add more of the same Chinese red and turquoise for this after flipping it over. I'm going to do just bright green, I think, on both of these after flipping it over. And this I'm going to leave on this side, add some better black powder, and then also cover that in a slightly thickened better black liquid. I don't think I'm going to do the ice when I flip these over. I'm just going to use water and go over the top of that, and then we'll let it sit. So let's go. Okay, we'll let that sit for probably 18 hours or so and then wash it out. Alright, time for the washout. Okay, so here they are before they are washed completely. These are the black and white. These are the red, white, and blue. And then we have the ones that look like zombie socks now. But it's supposed to be green and purple. We'll see what happens when I wash it out.